Do you want to know how you can log into your Hayes Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Hayes Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar to search for Hayes Payroll Login. Then click on this link over here, or you can just click on this link and then it will take you to the official login portal of Hayes Payroll. So wait for a while, keep your patience, and then it will lead you to this portal. You can see that this is the official login portal of Hayes Payroll. The first step is to write down your email address in this box over here. So go ahead and write down your email address. The second step is to write down your password. Go ahead and click on this box over here. Write down your password. After you write down your password, make sure to check it once by clicking on this icon. After you write down your email address and password, go ahead and click sign in. This way you can successfully log into your Hayes Payroll account. So you can also click on keep me signed in and you will not have to sign in next time, you will be signed in automatically. If you have forgotten your password and want to create a new password or want to reset it, this is the link for you. You can click on this link and Hayes will send you a mail on your associated account and you can reset by clicking on that link. So guys, this is how you log into your Hayes Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.